Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing. It is.
Briana Love here. So I'm going to be showing you how I lay my wig down, install it, do the baby hairs, lay it flat so I don't look like a cone head. I show you it all. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the description box. First thing you want to do is I put a little bit of alcohol on where I'm gonna put my, what's it called, where my closure is gonna be. So decide whether you want a side part or a middle part, and then put some alcohol there. And the alcohol, it's not gonna harm your hair, but it's gonna be used to like take away any oiliness or greasiness. That will stop the got to bead from sticking, and it will last longer. I use the yellow got to be glue. I really don't think there's a difference. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, you know, you gotta have your gel braids in or whatever. So take a little bit of your got to be glue and put it along your hairline, just like I'm about to do. Another thing I learned, when you're using the white got to be, because I know there's a clear one, you need to blend it out. Like, you don't want it to be white when you're putting it on your hair, because it's gonna give a white. Okay, so do you see how it's not as white as it was? This is kind of ideal. This is what you want it to look like. And then you're going to use your blow dryer on a cool setting. I want to say for about 30 seconds. You just want it to get like not dry, but you want it to be tacky. This is ideal of what you want it to look like. You see how it's not white anymore? That's what you want, because when it's white, trust me, the whole thing, your whole lace, everything's going to be looking white, and you don't want that. So please have it look kind of transparent-y. That's the key. Then we're using, sorry, I'm not even explaining. I'm using my got to be blasting freeze spray, and you put this on, you spray it a couple times across the where you put the gel, and you do the same thing until it's not, it's gonna be wet, but you're gonna spray it until it's tacky. Okay, so this is my wig. This wig I constructed on my own. I would say tell me if you guys want me to make a video on how I do it, but there's so many on YouTube, so I think y'all are Gucci. But yeah, so about my wig, I'm gonna let you guys know the deets. Now, so this hair is raw Burmese hair from Malaysian Hair Boutique. I'll put the link in the description box where you guys can purchase this hair. A rat tail comb. Make sure all your hairs are brushed back behind the lace. You can fix everything later. So what you do is pick it up and plop it down, and then adjust your wig. Make sure this is where you want it. Use the cold setting again and blow dry the lace down, and use your rat tail comb to press it down as you go. And then, yeah, it's secured. So as you can see, I'm combing it and it's on. I know you guys are probably like, what the heck, I can see your lace. Hold on guys, we're not done. But yeah, as you can see, it's not going anywhere at all. It's on, Then I use some mousse. So the mousse is what's gonna lay that lace down. You see how I'm looking like a cone head? Yeah, we don't want to look like a cone head. So I'm using the foaming, it's the Style and Shine foaming mousse argan oil, 2 pumps, and just smack it on the lace. And so yeah, okay, so as you can see already, well, I don't know what that was, but yeah, as you can see already, it's laying down. And then with the wall curler, because it adds the heat to lay down even more, I'm just gonna okay, so as you can see, the wig is flat. We're gonna fix this line in the I usually use a different brush, but they're dirty, so I'm using this. Wish me luck, guys. I don't know how this is about to come out. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just go in with some eyeshadow and fix the part, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. Okay, I'm gonna do my baby hair. I use the Gossip Bean on the edges, and I use this edge brush. You can get it at your local beauty supply store for the low. Can't say exactly how much because I didn't buy it. And then yeah, so you're just gonna take your baby hairs. This is so hard to do, guys, because I'm blind. But yeah. All my baby hairs are right there sticking out. Disclaimer, I'm not good at baby hairs. You're satisfied with your edges, and as you can see, I have some more flyaways, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more mousse right where the flyaways are and kind of trying to get rid of that. The last thing you're going to do is use, so this is how you lay your edges. You're going to use a scarf, put them on your edges. I was going to do it in the back, but whatever. Okay, so you're just going to use a scarf, make sure it's on your edges, tie it like this. Make sure your hair is laying. Yeah, tie it, wait 10 minutes, and then come back.